G'day everybody, it's Gareth from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a 2016 Mustang sound system head unit. And the tools you're going to need today is a plastic spudger, a 7mm socket and a cloth. And the cloth we're simply going to put over the gear stick so that we don't scratch things. We want to keep the car nice and clean. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is use our plastic spudger to remove this section here. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is remove this silver section here. It is held in with 3 clips. You can sometimes get your fingers behind it, and just doesn't matter if it removes that because that's got to come out anyway. And we're going to put that aside. They're the clips we're fighting against. I'll just put that down there. Next section is this whole section here. Now once again, it's held in with clips as well. I'm going to start this end, and that one came out quite easily, but these clips are what you're fighting against, these little guys here. Okay, we're going to put that aside. Now this little window here that says shaker, that needs to come out. I'm going to see if I can get mine with a plastic spudger, and there we go, and that's popped out to expose 2 7mm bolts. And this is why I'm using a very long shaft on the extension. Okay, so we've got those 2 out there, and we're going to remove the 2 top ones. They're the same as the bottom ones, 7mm. Okay, so we've taken out the 2 top bolts, the 2 bottom bolts. This part is ready to come out. Now once again, it's held on with some clips. So we're going to loosen the top ones first, just so we're not fighting against them. And then we're going to lift the bottom section while gently pulling towards the gear shift at the same time. Okay, so we've got this loose now. We're going to pull up fairly hard. There we go. That's got it. And it's held in with some electrical connections. Once again, we're just going to remove them by pressing the center pin and pulling towards. Okay, that one's out. That one was a little difficult. Once again, you've got to press the middle part in to get it out. And we've got one more on the bottom, and we've got a cigarette lighter here. Alright, that should be enough just to get it out of the way. And we're going to use one of these cloths just to cover the dash so we don't put any scratches. Okay, alrighty, we're ready to take the head unit out. Okay, so we're going to use our trusty 7mm socket to remove the screen. It could be a case that you've got a cracked screen, you need to send that to Supertech Electronics for a new screen. Okay, so we've got 4 bolts, and they're the same as the other ones you took out earlier, so once again you won't put the wrong ones back in the wrong place, they're all the same. Okay, so we've got all 4 screens out, 4 screws out, and this whole screen will come out now as one piece. And these guys are pretty easy to get out. This one here, okay, so we've pushed the middle pin, we're going to fold that all the way forward, and that'll come out just like that. Okay, push this one right at the very end, and it will come out, like a little USB socket. And then we're going to take this guy out here. Okay, so now we've got to the got to take the AHU part out. That's this box here, and that's what's causing no sound, actually very poor sound in our Mustang. Okay, we've got all 4 screws out, so this section should come out now. Okay, so we're going to unplug it. They're quite short, so press the center pin and pull it towards. Okay, that unit is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.